Design thinking is a really fun and creative class, and I love it because you have to use your imagination and you have to present it in front of everyone, and you get to work in groups. Some people, I guess, like it because you don't have any homework and you get to hang out with friends and talk with them, and you feel like you're a scientist inventing something that can help make people's lives easier. It's really cool.
Something that you can make to with other people to improve something else or to make it better.
These kids gathering together to solve problems to make life better.
You work together with your friends and people, and you try to solve problems.
Well, design thinking is a way to collaborate everyone's ideas to solve a problem.
Design thinking is working in a group to solve a problem.
Specific direction is achieved through 5 particular methods, as seen here. Observing the audience in which the designing will occur is part of the development of empathy. Defining the problem precisely helps bring the team on the same page where ideation can evolve. Brainstorming for creative solutions is the heart of ideation. Finally, building some sort of prototype displays the team's ideas to show others and allows testing for feedback.
Are the announcements because they're long and really boring and annoying, and we also tackle the problem of trying to make our playground better.
I want to put the nurse in where you walk in to get your food, so that way you can just turn off and get your medicine if you have to.
We were trying to make a shoe that would run faster.
We did research. We interviewed people to see how they felt about it, and then we discussed it in our own group, and we made prototypes.
Design thinking is relevant to contemporary education and to the overall future success of society. With standardized test scores shaping school culture and impacting funding for education, students are given fewer opportunities to create and think on their own.
Well, does that want to put the nurse in where you walk in to get your food?
We cut out the bottom of the shoe, as you can see, and we took the sole out,
And there's a calculator in
and then we put the calculator in there, and you can type in what speed you want to run.
We built a schedule that they had to keep on track with, so they wouldn't go like on and on. Yeah. And then we built. Yeah, we had a timer.
We made a prototype of the playground, and here's the school over here, and here's the little 4 square spaces, and then right here where the old basketball used to be, that's the swings, and instead of having 3 tether balls, because really nobody uses them, we only have 1, we needed to expand the gazebo, and then over here, like in the little corner, you need to put like other sports like football, soccer, and stuff, so they're not taking up this whole big area, and then right across from the gazebo is the slides. And then for the basketball, we need to have that fenced in. So, like, if you shoot the ball and it, like, goes out, so you don't have to run and go to get it, and so you have your own space, and you should have, like, 4 hoops. And for the fence, we need to have 2 openings on each side so you can get in. And then you should have, like, a little jungle gym area. things to do outside, and so you're all not crowded in one place.
You can get places easier, and you can have more time to do what you need to do.
We won't have to listen to long announcements
And we'll have a better playground to play on instead of just basketball
and being
courts
bored and just
and
talking.
a big parking lot.
It would be great to just have the nurse in the cafeteria, so that way you can just walk there and you don't have to walk all the way to your school and back.
You get to do hands-on stuff.
Well, you really have no boundaries. You can be as creative as you like.
Yeah, I got to work with other people, and it's better than writing worksheets.
It just seems much easier, so that way you can get your ideas out.
I like building prototypes.
It's a fun way to learn.
Instead of just sitting down and writing. And I think students would be more happy to learn instead of just going in and just sitting down.
I like it better than doing a worksheet, and that you actually get to work with other people and like build stuff.
Cooperation, teamwork.
Okay.
And because you don't always work around people that you like, and then
Okay.
Gotta deal with. Yeah.
yep.
Through the teaching of the design thinking process, students are given the opportunity to take control over their learning and work together toward a common goal. What better way to develop meaningful learning, social skills, positive character traits, and independence from the spoon-fed phenomena than using the design thinking process?